In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a seamless looping smoke puff animation in After Effects. We'll build a soft, billowing smoke effect from simple shapes, add a bit of organic texture, animate it drifting upward, and make it loop forever so you can drop it into any scene without worrying about timing. Start by creating your base shapes, grab the ellipse tool and draw a few small circles that will become your smoke puffs. Hold shift as you drag if you want perfectly round shapes. Keep them modest in size so they feel light and airy. Duplicate each circle as needed to create multiple puffs. A quick way is to select a layer and duplicate it, then move the copies slightly so they don't all sit in the same spot. On the timeline, stagger the start times of these layers by a few frames to create a natural flowing rhythm instead of everything moving at once. Next, add a little deformation so the circles don't look too perfect. With the puff selected, go to Effect, Stylize, Roughen Edges, gently increase the border value until the edge looks slightly irregular like smoke fraying at the edges. Apply the same effect to your other puffs and feel free to vary the border a little from puff to puff so they don't all match exactly. Now, animate the movement, select a puff and press P to reveal position, set an initial keyframe near the bottom of where you want the smoke to start, move forward in time and drag the puff upward so it drifts. Keep the motion subtle and slightly diagonal for a more believable rise. Add a soft fade as it ascends by revealing opacity with T and keyframing it to decrease, so each puff gently disappears as it reaches the top. To make it loop, select the keyframes on the animated property, Alt or Option click the stopwatch to open expressions, and type loop out. Do this on position and on opacity if you animated that too. The movement will now repeat seamlessly. For added realism, vary the size and speed of each puff. Slightly scale some circles up or down and offset their keyframes so they don't all rise at the same rate. Add a touch of Gaussian blur to each puff for softness. A small blur goes a long way toward that hazy feel. Finally, make sure your layers overlap in time so new puffs appear as older ones fade, creating a continuous billowing effect. Play it back and you've got looping, lightweight smoke ready for any background, UI element or scene transition.